Pinky's got a big surprise for Ratty. A whole bunch of new Sprunki toys. Of course, new is such a relative word. Still, he comes with a bunch of accessories. Like your very own Mr. Fun Computer. He's popular, but he needs a little chemical X. Aw, they grow up so fast. Now he's a supercomputer. Plus, he's got a new blue sky just for you. And inside him is a brain? Penny for your thoughts? Either way, it's squishy. Hey, look at that. An egg. Hold it. We just need to supersize it. Hey, it's got binaria. Let's take a look inside. Wow, it's a giant cactus. Seems like a fun guy. I wonder if he's part mushroom. Hey, binaria. I think some introductions are in order. Actually, I think you two could be real close. That is, of course, if we make a few adjustments. Ooh, the computer comes with free refreshments. Just keep them away from the keyboard. Wow, after all this time, they joined forces. Can you imagine what they made together? Well, it's a liquid. I know. Let's go fishing. Should be easier than that barrel. We caught something. Hey, it's a tiny little sky. Is there anyone else in here? It's a little Simon. And he's lemon-scented. Ooh, tiny clucker and his tiny, tiny hat. Huh, fishing's thirsty work. Let's add some fizz and relax with a nice drink. Don't skimp on the bubbles. Hey, what else is in here? Wow, a mini vending machine. Doesn't seem empty. What are you waiting for? Toss a coin in. Try to buy a bunch if you can. After all, we've got company over. Hey, it's a Pinky box. I wonder what's inside. A Pinky toy, and she's got a need for speed. Just rev her up and watch her go. Ooh, do you think she'll stick the landing? Was there ever any doubt? And that's not all. She also comes with some shiny pink slime. Slime is already great on its own. But wait until you add the toppings. Just like pizza, so knead it like dough. Which is also pizza related. Sorry, I'll move on. Next up, it's a tiny Pinky copter. That Pinky, she's always got her head in the clouds. Ooh, Simon's ready for Halloween. But I think he could sure use a trim. Simon's been holding out on us. Just look at this toy. And we've got the perfect solution. Bubble solution. Come on, fill up the room. Bubbles for all. This next toy's pretty small, but give it time to grow. And inside, it's another tiny little box. It's a mini Pianosaurus bank, so it needs mini money. Now that's what I call service with a smile. Next up, we've got a dinosaur scoop. But why go digging up fossils when we can bring dinos back to life? But maybe we should cut them down to size. You must be this small to slide on down. And the best part, when you're done, you can go again. Next up, it looks like we've got a safe, and it's pink. It's locked. We gotta figure out the code. First, solve the matching Sprunki repo game on back. Looks like it's color-coded. We've cracked the code. Let's just hope it works. 3, 4, 5, right in order. How convenient. And look, we're rolling in semi-bots. But why don't we give them a spiffy Sprunki makeover? Ratty, Binaria, and Durple, but 2.0. Guess you can never have enough Pinky. Or Sky. Or Semi-Hemi. How far do you think it goes? We're reaching the center. A tiny Simon ball. It's just what we need for our toy maze. Let's take it for a spin. Avoid the hurdles. Quick, try the bridge. Just avoid that hole. Don't worry, you've got another life. Maybe Sky will have more luck. Or not. Okay, Pinky, it's your turn. Let's hope the third time's the charm. Careful about that bridge. You made it. It's Pinky's world. We're just living in it. I've heard of a dog-eat-dog world before, but cat stepping on cat, that's just wrong. Well, at least nothing seems to be broken. Still, we should probably take a closer look. I think someone's gonna be a mommy. Twins! Fraternal by the looks of it. I know. This way, everyone will know that these two are a couple of catfish. Aw, what a cute little thumbkin kitty. And he really makes an impression. Add glue. And he's somebody again. A really stretchy somebody, too. Look, a little water will clear things up. Guess he had too much to drink. Uh-oh. Who can stay mad at a face like that? Careful, don't step on that banana. Oh, at least you didn't slip on it. Oh, hey! This mush can make great yellow paint. Just the thing our plastic bottle needs. But our banana bottle could also use some holes. And now we've got our very own fountain. Cue the waterworks. Kitty's got some new presents for you. But seriously, what are you feeding her? Anyway, let's give it a good squeeze. Wow, there was another kitty inside. Let's just clean off all that slime. And make you some accessories. Like your own personal litter box. Well, here we go again, I guess. Just kidding. This time, it's candy. Ah, a look at the artist at work. Let's see. I wouldn't quit your day job. Unless, of course, this is your day job. Maybe you need a change in medium, like paint. With a kitty stencil to help. Ah, 3 little kittens. Just need some eyes, whiskers, and maybe some mittens. And I think you've got a new fan. Ah, milk. A tried and true cat classic. What the? Tape? Where'd that come from? Well, if it's here, might as well use it. Why don't we fill it up with milk? After all, only the best for nanotape. Draw a pretty pink heart on top, and soon we'll have a pair of cheeks for squeezing. The best part of any hot drink, whipped cream. And the fun's not just in the taste. We can even draw on top of it. It's our own coffee kitten caboodle. Would you like some coffee with that shake? With our special snowball maker, we can whip up some Hello Kitty rice balls. Isn't it just the cutest? Let's make some more. Don't forget to add some sauce. Do you like it spicy or savory? They're really fun to squish, too. But they're even more fun to eat. Always remember, what goes up must come down. Especially with a naughty kitty around. Well, maybe we can put this paper cup to better use. With a straw and a hanging kitty. And it's also happy to say hello. Wow, that sure is some pedicure. But that poor sock deserves better.
Oops.
Let's fix it up. Make some cuts. Add some stuffing. And a few touches. But it still needs a face, like button eyes. And soon enough, we've got ourselves a brand new pretty kitty to play with. What do you think that is? Icing sugar. And there's something buried inside. What could it be? The sugar is sweet, but it's a little too tough to chew. Wait a minute, I think something's inside. Oh, it's a brand new ring. And there's more where that came from. Candy is dandy, but the foil is the best part. We can use it to make a shiny new kitty. Toilet paper. Oh, this can be fun too. Take a square and roll it up. twist it up into a little rosette. Now let's cover up our new cat friend. And soon, she'll start looking a little familiar. Rumi always keeps a small piece of Derpy with her. After all, he sure does make an impression. And there's always room for some glitter glue. Now we've got our own jelly tiger, and he's great! If a little gooey. Yeah, I wouldn't squeeze too hard. Yeah, if you love Derpy, let him go. He'll always find his way back. Meanwhile, I think there's some buried treasure in the sand. Wow! It's a K-pop Demon Hunter's mystery box! Ooh, I hope it's got soda pop. Let's see what's inside. A flexible road? Well, time to let the good times roll. Follow the only road. It's paved and wide and up to code. Ooh, we can't forget the loop-de-loop. And we gotta give gravity a helping hand. But what's the fun of a road without some wheels? Get your engine started. We've got a need for speed. And when you own the road, there's no speed limit. Especially when it's a racetrack. Let's see what's next. Wow, a big smile for someone so blue. Of course, I'd be happy to be a bubble wand octopus too. Soon, we'll have more bubbles than under the sea. Cats don't like water, but everyone loves water. Of course, we need to share this bubble power with the world. And if they pop, we can always make more. Wow, this astronaut's defying gravity. Pay no attention to that string on top, clearly for decoration. You seem thirsty. Why not try some cosmic water? Wow, the thing even looks cosmic. Possibly grape flavored. Either way, he's got a special treat for you in the back. Open him up and he'll be happy to give back. Cosmic water is the gift that keeps on giving. It looks like stardust. I wonder if it tastes like it too. Of course, I've never tried stardust before. Either way, Rumi here seems to like it. Why don't we drink it straight from the source? It's out of this world. What does the box have next? A milk cap? Who needs the rest of the cow when you've got udders? Unfortunately, you gotta provide your own milk. Make sure that cap is on nice and tight. Now you can drink milk 4 times as fast. Hey, leave some for Derpy, preferably in a saucer. Of course, he wouldn't mind the direct approach. Plus, it's great for all those teeth of his. Oh, silly kitty. But I wonder what else this works on. Mints and soda? Put that cap on ASAP. It'd be a waste of a perfectly good fountain.